Well, good morning. We're out and about this morning on the road again. Got the old Duramax and the flatbed trailer. We're headed out here to a little place called Mataqua. It's a little town out here in the middle of the desert. We're with a BLM Ranger today. We're gonna get out there and gather up a Ford Crown Victoria or Mercury Grand Marquis or whatever you want to call it. But we're having a heck of a good time. Southern Utah, beautiful this time of year. 62 degrees to start out. We've had lots of rain and been, man, the desert's come alive. We've got the late fall blooms. It's just a beautiful time of year to visit Southern Utah. But we'll get you out here on the desert and we'll take you along for the ride. It's always a good time out and about in the old Duramax on a dirt road. So thanks for all the support on the channel, and we'll take you along for the ride today. All right, here we go, over to Mataqua, 17 miles of dirt road. Sure a pretty place. This is usually underwater in the monsoon spring flow. You guys remember one of my earlier videos on my anniversary, I came out here and recovered a little car that had rolled over up here on this next turn. Bunch of teenagers. She's a bloomin'. Just amazes me. I was drunk the day my mom got out of prison. And I went to pick her up in my car. That's some sort of a willow or something, like almost like a pussy willow. Unless Should we check it out and see if there's...
Right here so we can fill the tires. Well, it's a little cleaner than it was last time, actually.
Got a bigger rat living in it now. I had to make room. Thing is, it'd probably run, wouldn't it? Well, we're 4 hours into this project and we got down to the car. We decided to unhook the trailer and we're gonna just cross tie it and drag it back up out of there. But man, we're a long ways in here. We're 58 miles of dirt road just to get where we're at. It is a beautiful place though, man, oh man. What an amazing place we live in. Well, there's the old girl we're coming to get. It's a long ways from nowhere. Peace. All right, here we go. We're out of here. It's all uphill, so we don't even need a driver. Well, we got that old girl loaded. We've got 57 miles of dirt road to go back on, and man, what a party that was. Just nothing but dirt road, switchbacks, washouts. We're gonna get this old girl back to town and see how she goes, but thanks for jumping in there and coming along for the ride. We'll show you a little bit more of the sights and sounds of the old Mercury Grand Marquis Recovery.